Addison, what are you riding on? What are you riding on? You what?
Ride.
Show me how it works. Can you ride on it? How does it go? Are you too busy?
Busy.
You busy?
Go.
What is it? Oh, it's a girl.
Sit.
Mhm.
Go.
A girl.
Go.
A girl?
Uh-huh.
Why do you say
Go. Go.
Oh. Mhm.
Go.
Yep, she's a girl. What do you have stuck to you?
Go.
A ball. Oh, teeny tiny.
Hey, Mommy.
Thank you.